In this question, we'll be labeling the given illustrations. So for this, we have to first draw the illustrations to somewhat similar that are given to us. So we are given a cell right over here, and in the cell we have nucleus. So we have our nucleus here, and inside nucleus we have these small particles present. So if we enlarge these particles, it turns out to be a chromosome. So we have chromosome right over here. So this is a chromosome. Now, if we take a magnified view of a chromosome, then it would look somewhat like this. Let's draw the magnified view of the chromosome. So there would be DNA present in the chromosome. So this is DNA. Now, on DNA, there would be these multiple